Let me tell you a forest story about speed and patience.
Is it about animals, Grandma?
Yes, a rabbit and a tortoise.
I'm the fastest in this forest. Speed is good. But shall we race? You? Race me? Ready, set, go! Try to keep up! Last one, there's a rotten acorn. We're right behind you. We'll catch you. Faster, team. Victory's nutty. Too easy. One step, then another. That tortoise is miles behind. I'll take a tiny nap.
Slow steps still move forward. Step by step. Steady wins the day.
Look, the tortoise passed. The rabbit is still dreaming. Oh no! The race! Gotta hop to it. Almost there. I can do this. How?
How'd you zoom?
Slow and steady.
No way! It's teetotal.
Surprise. Oh.
Unfair advantage, slow and steady steals the show.
Indeed.
High five!
Remember, children, speed is useful, but consistency creates victory.
Consistency matters!